So before we actually get started, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Now we can see our pound JPY, which our prediction was actually right. We said you can go back to watch it. We saw and we did analysis on our JPY, pound JPY, CAD JPY, Swiss JPY, that our pound JPY will actually be falling, and we actually had that huge fall. By the way, we can see this huge fall. Our pound to our JPY closed bearish, which was actually a lot of pips we were able to grab. Now we can see we'll start with our daily time frame, by the way. So we've actually added this bullish move, by the way. So what are we waiting for the week that we are trying to analyze is that we would continue to be having that bearish move. At least we should be able to hit this key area here and this area here, which there are two levels we would possibly be hitting this week: 162 and also 160. So once our price can break below 162, then definitely we are going to 160. That is exactly what we are aiming for. But before we actually consider to short this our pound to our JPY, we should be waiting for a pullback. As we can see, we had a drop here, we had a pullback which we also predicted. We also had a breakout to this level, which is a key level that I've highlighted. You can see the key level here. If you have to analyze it better, you will see the key level we've highlighted. Now what are we going to be waiting for? Once our price has actually dropped, is that we should be waiting for a pullback. So we would want to see a pullback straight to our 164, at least get a pullback to 164, then a fall again on our pound JPY. Like I said, we would be falling the week that is coming. We would be seeing a drop on our pound JPY. But before that, on our 4-hour time frame, we should be waiting for a pullback, which we will be getting very soon, which that pullback will be giving us a bullish move up to at least 164 before we can consider falling and shorting our pound JPY. That is what our prediction is saying and what our analysis has actually shown. So once our price falls, it's 162 and it manages to break below it, then definitely you are going straight to 160. Once our price breaks below 162, then we are going straight to 160. So have that in mind, that we are actually going to be dropping for the week on our pound JPY. Now let's sit on our JPY index. Now we can see our JPY index actually added this bullish move. We saw this pullback. We also see this bullish move, which we predicted, and it actually was right. Now on this our 4-hour time frame, once we have this bullish move, we should be waiting for a pullback again, which we will be getting this coming week. Once we have this pullback, which will be falling, then our pound itself would actually give us that bullish move. Once our JPY index starts going bullish, then we will be seeing a fall on our pound JPY. So this is the analysis built on our JPY and pound with our JPY index. So if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe.